What's up, guys? Baer here, and as you can tell, it snowed. This is actually the first major snowstorm of the season. We got about 10 inches overnight. Nothing too crazy, nothing I can't handle. So just trudging to the garage here to get the snowblower started so I can make a nice little time lapse of me snowblowing the garage. So with that being said, rolling the intro. Hey old girl, it's your time to shine. Don't fail me. A little bit of prime. Do. A little bit of choke. Hopefully you start. Yeah, start Well, that was it. Driveway snowblowed for the most part. Yeah, down there where the snowplow pushes all the slush, my snowblower pretty much can't even touch that. It goes about a foot and then stalls out, so I'm just gonna have to shovel that by hand. And of course the old Subaru down there, yeah, I can just get that out of anything, so I'm not even gonna bother shoveling that out. Love my Subaru. Isn't she a pretty clean driveway now? Oh yeah. Puppies in the snow. Puppies in the snow. I got puppies that are in the snow. Snowball fight. Hello, snow puppy. Puppy in the snow. Puppy in the snow. Puppy in the snow. Got a puppy in the snow. Choo choo choo. Puppy in the snow. Choo 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 choo. Puppy in the snow. Puppy in the snow. Choo 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 choo. What you gonna do? Coming? Ah, yeah, you're coming. Come on, Waru. Come on! You coming? No? You give up? Okay. Well, that's about it for this video. Snowblowed the driveway, played with the dogs in the snow. So with that being said, if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more, definitely subscribe to the Baer family. And if you want to stay in the know for all my future uploads, turn on that notification bell and make sure it's set to notifications on always. And I'll see you next video. Baer out. You eating some snow? Yeah? Snow cone, yeah. Nom. Yeah, that tastes good, huh? Yeah, a little bit of snow.